This video is courtesy of brainybuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. So I'm looking at these two espresso machines, the Breville Barista Touch and the Jura Impressa C9. Seems like they're both super automatic, but there are some big differences.
Yeah, definitely. Right off the bat, the Breville is brand new, while the Jura is a renewed product, which means it's pre-owned and refurbished. That's something to consider.
True, and the Breville is readily available, whereas the Jura, well, it's currently unavailable, which is a bummer. What about features?
The Breville Barista Touch seems packed with features. It's got a touchscreen, automatic milk texturing, and a built-in grinder with dose control. It heats up super fast, too, in like 3 seconds.
Wow, 3 seconds is quick. The Jura, being a bit older, probably doesn't have all those bells and whistles, right?
Exactly. It's got a dial and button interface, which is more traditional. Its humidors have one-touch cappuccino, which is nice, but it's probably not as customizable as the Breville.
Customization is a big thing for me. I like to tinker with my coffee. What about the water tank and bean hopper sizes?
The Breville holds half a pound of beans and 67 ounces of water. The Jura doesn't specify the bean hopper size, but has a 64-ounce water tank. Not a huge difference there, but the Breville has a slight edge.
Okay, good to know. And what about their size? I have limited counter space.
The Breville is 12.7 DX 12.5 WX 16 inches H, while the Jura is quite a bit bigger at 21.6X 19.2X 18.8 inches. So the Breville is definitely more compact.
All right, so Breville wins on size and features and availability. But what about the reviews?
The Breville has tons of reviews, over 3,800 with an average of 4.4 stars. The Jura only has one review, but it's a perfect 5 stars. But one review isn't really representative, you know?
Yeah, definitely. Plus, the Breville has a 2-year warranty, which gives some peace of mind. It seems like the Breville Barista Touch is the clear winner here, assuming I'm okay with the price.
I think so too. The Jura might be a good option if it were available and at a significantly lower price. But given its age and renewed status, the Breville offers much more for the money, even with the higher initial cost. It's just more modern and feature-rich.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.